morning, Nash. Olivia here with your weekly weather report. I'm here to let you know what to expect inside of Nash this week. Now, as our outdoor temperature changes, you can naturally expect the temperature inside the well-insulated building to change as well. We are looking at a bit of a temperature change throughout the week. On Friday today, it's going to be a little cold, a little chilly. It is going to warm up throughout the weekend. It's going to get a little warmer, and it is, of course, going to get cold again. And then it's going to keep getting cold and colder until it gets hot again. And then it's going to get really humid and uncomfortable. Now, this could, of course, apply to none of you because the temperature is inconsistent. So if you're in the middle floors, or like if you're on the third floor towards the middle, in the middle hallway, it may be a little bit cold. If you're in the chorus room, it may be a little cold. Now, it could also be really hot, though. So keep that in mind. And if you didn't believe me on the chorus thing, here is an actual example of the thermostat in Mr. Schmick's room. You should be prepared for some extreme humidity as well as some extreme dryness. Now here in the broadcasting studio, you can find a one-of-a-kind humidity gauge. It's called the door. Now here it is, our door/humidity gauge. Now whenever it gets really humid in here or it gets really cold, I don't know, I'm not a real meteorologist, it gets really hard to open and close. For example, see what I mean? Okay. Now you can also expect some precipitation to be forming over the school pool, so expect some scattered showers here and there. Now the school pool is completely isolated in its own climate. It does not depend on the rest of the school. So it is always really humid if you're just sitting there. However, if you're feeling the need to cool down for whatever reason, the pool is always cold and it just gets colder and colder. And there's just really nothing you can do about that. And well, there you have it, Tigers. That's your weekly weather report. Just remember to be prepared for absolutely anything while also knowing that you're never going to be prepared for anything.